we, or they might not say setting like we. So that men don't bring a fuse. It's like, you understand?
Maybe. Your thoughts on Lil Uzi Vert? He had a little gem in between his eyes.
Well, so this now, it does represent my religion, cross. Jesus died on the cross, so I'm not going to put it right there, so I hold it over there right there.
It was the murder capital of the world.
Man for dead to make man live, brother. Yeah. Man for dead to make man live. What you say?
What's your name?
My name is Nicky.
And where are we at?
See a little storeroom, it burn out. Where she sell lotion and them things, sometimes me trust it from her, me not have to buy.
So we're just in Spanish Town, and somebody told us about a little area in the community that was fully burnt down, and even the blocks, everything on the ground. Like, OMG, these persons here are so lucky that their house wasn't caught in it. Like, OMG, everything to the ground. Like, we really can render some assistance to these persons here. This initiative, this is serious. Right now, me out of pain, me just looking at it. So, blessings to all, and reach out to them. The number will be in the description. It will also be on the screen, and we're gonna do the right thing. See? Depend upon always. See? Blessed. We are moved through back and we are out of Spanish Town. Mad love. One of the bravest person I know is actually coming to Jamaica right now. This person has well over 6 million subscribers on YouTube.
Hi. How are you, brother?
Blessings, man. Good to see you.
We're in Jamaica, baby.
Jamaica.
That's right.
I'm Blake.
Man,
Thank
you're?
you for having us.
I'm Blake.
Blake.
Good to meet
Big
you.
up, man.
Okay, we're ready.
Is this
to
a superstar?
No.
Oh my God, you're
Rich.
crazy. Let me tell you. So this is how you travel lightweight, man.
Traveling light, man.
There's nothing inside of those
Nothing.
things, man. All right, let's go.
Let's do it. Thank you for having
Man.
Okay, you got a baby.
Yeah, I got a nice, beautiful little daughter.
There we go.
That is it.
I love it.
So massive.
Here.
That
With
is
the
it.
man, the guide of Jamaica, the number one. There we go. Thank you.
All right.
How are you, man?
Man, I'm great. So great to see you. Superstar!
We're here, baby.
Superstar! Hey!
No.
Hey, it's your first time in Jamaica?
First time.
Look good now, man! Massive! So the first time in Jamaica, Tyler, I don't
That's
know,
right.
camera guy. Yeah, all right, great.
That's right, Blake.
Great.
We're excited to be here. We're excited to have you as our guide.
Mad
We
thing.
showed up. Minute one, you're rolling. You're on it.
That is it.
I want to see the good, bad, and the ugly of Jamaica. Those places got a lot of culture.
Yeah. Jamaica.
Proportional to the population, this place is
Crazy.
exporting crazy culture, man.
Crazy.
I'm ready. Okay.
Yes.
This is the best gas station in town.
Yes.
There you heard. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right, we got the goods. We're headed out.
So that
Get
is
our
it.
ladies some goods here.
Tyler.
We got our gas.
So we actually stopped in Kingston and are getting some gas and all of that. And you know, Tyler, the lady spoke with him, so he decided to buy the lady something to drink, and I think that's really cool. We love them gestures there.
Thank you.
Serious.
Appreciate you.
Alright, nice place. You have nice place in Kingston as well. There's a lot of nice places. You can go big restaurants.
We want to meet Contract Killer. We want to go to Red Light District. And we want to go to the best spot, the best tourist spot too.
Okay.
What?
And you said Mochi, and there's a lot of places.
Okay. Everywhere. There you heard.
Everywhere.
All right.
everybody want me know we are forward in Jamaica for the first time. Downtown Kingston is a must. If not them first stop, it's definitely going to be the second stop when them want to touch. Yo, downtown Kingston is always the right place for the right vibe.
I see. Okay, good to meet you.
That is it.
Respect, Sarge.
That was
I like Jamaica.
I like it. I've only been here for a few hours.
Well, you have some nice young girls up strong, you know.
Young girls?
Wow. They might be real. Everybody there. Fling it on you. If you get them, you don't want back up Paris, you love them.
Hey, great conversation, sir.
Yeah, right. Nice to meet you.
Are you using these two fingers in the bedroom, sir?
Yeah, right.
All right.
Look
You have a great
at
day. All right.
Yeah,
We're in downtown Kingston, baby. What do we got here?
Steam chalice, you know about it?
What is it?
Alright, you know you have a regular burn chalice. A steam chalice is a bit different, whereby the fire is separated from the medium or with the ganja by a little bit. Play flat thing will come like a kind in some holes. So you light up this and then the hot air release the aroma and all.
Interesting.
Oh.
So the ganja's inside and it separates via the rocks?
Yeah, correct. This is what we call.
Is this homemade?
Well, my brethren him build the culture and me build everything else. This wrap with coconut, what do you call it? So if this should fall, it won't break, and or if it gets hot, it won't burn.
Oh,
that is it. This is interesting.
Well, it take a while to get going.
Did you invent this?
maybe too much breeze.
No man, John and Chronics and them people are do this long time.
I see.
Yeah, so.
How often do you smoke the ganja?
Often I steam the ganja.
Yeah.
Every day. 3 times for the day.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's actually coconut shell this now that we are like processed coconut shell.
Interesting.
Yeah, we use this instead of coal because coal has more ashes in the burner. So yeah man. It's a healthier way for absorb ganja in your system, which is very important because you have millions of cells that depend on the elements that you get from ganja daily.
You need that ganja daily.
To live and survive. Yeah.
Oh, to survive. Is that a pillar of Jamaican culture, the ganja?
No, medical culture. Every real medical practitioner will be aware of this information. Besides, it was illegal not to grow ganja in the 1960s in America. If your household wasn't part of cultivating ganja, they would have locked you up. It's because of how important ganja is to the entire system.
Do most people here smoke ganja?
Yeah, because they know how good ganja is. Jamaica promote ganja the most popular, you know, through Bob Marley.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica's what, the largest exporter of ganja in the Caribbean?
Well, I wouldn't be surprised.
Apparently so. And you're gonna rip this ganja?
Yeah. I can't wait to show you a real proper demonstration. Just like cooking, the most important thing is to get the
fire going.
I see.
Yeah, so that is where we're really.
Oh, I see. There's melting it. That's interesting. Do you think Jamaica's pretty safe?
I think Jamaica is just as safe as any other country in the world.
Okay.
Right, because I've also been to other countries and I don't see.
Where have you been?
Well, England and few places in Germany, France and Belgium. I usually know the British Army, so big up the Royal Engineers. I don't know. Yeah, man. John Sobiari, I'm the bravest soldier. Come from Grenada, where I'm the bravest soldier in England. Right?
So you're a soldier?
Yeah, I'm still in a Rastafari army now. Big up the Queen of England same way. I'm not cuss her because she teach me a lot same way, you know what I mean? But a Rastafari army straight up. Yeah.
Okay. Why do you think Jamaica ranks number 1 or 2 as the murder capital of the world so often?
Oh, because of the actual, indeed, the colonial slave master offered them precious piece of land right here, you know, so monkey see, monkey eat.
Okay.
Oh, God.
True light of this world. So we're going to try to get this thing going now.
Okay.
Alright, so when we then pull up this, we put just a little bit too much water So that will happen sometime.
Oh wow.
So it's no problem. Christmas
It
period.
seems over there.
Yeah, sport off. So
Pretty intricate.
still have to get, because this is kind of deep stuff. No,
what?
coconut done. And them man around the park, I him name Sarge.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Nice art.
Right down.
Steve Charlie's name Patience. There.
This is West Kingston, the Coronation Market, Darling Street. Nice country.
That is
Nice
it.
place, jelly water, enough woman, and this and enjoy yourself. It's West Kingston. My name is Sarge, Mr. Walker.
See.
Good boy, this is, I'm telling jelly coconut.
You're guzzling that thing. He's gonna be higher in the cloud. Wow.
You see that's straight steam. It look like smoke, but straight steam.
So it's more effective. Wow. Well, thank you for the demonstration, sir.
That is it. Daily my Rastafari, first when I give thanks. More life and strength. Yeah man, big up West Kingston, you don't know.
See.
Big up.
Just Jim
Respect.
Brown, Bambino, the whole squad. Oh.
I like that. Thank you, sir.
Tivoli, Kingston, Jamaica, no. Yeah. So far as them say, real lovely, real good. I just they look up violence more now and then with the politics thing and the look. Because otherwise, real lovely, is it?
What do you mean by local violence?
You don't know in a Jamaica you have show and pow. So more while a man with a pow fight get show. You understand? They bring some look unnecessary distribution, you know.
Oh, the cops.
Yeah, with the cops and with like nearby community against our community. Yeah, you see. Otherwise it's really lovely because whole heap of party, whole heap of good time. I'm good like that though.
That is it.
Yeah man, you see.
Are there many gangs out here?
Really many gangs, as I may tell you, say some of the man them a show, some of the man them a pow, some of them wear orange, show me green, you see. You understand? So who fight against we are like the man them from the other side of the politics ring, you understand? Yeah.
I see.
Them might not see eye to eye with we, or they might not say setting like we. So that end up bring a feuds with, it's like, you understand? Yeah.
Maybe. Well, why do you think so many people murder each other in Jamaica?
Alright, it's all about poverty and cost of living, you see. The more a man see you a live look better than him through cost of living high, a man get bad mind, envy, or even most likely that is, you see. Sufferation in a Jamaica most likely, you know, it's real, you see. So they need over the next side of the politics ring, see you want to strive and you know, you start suffer. That bring look a bad mind and look for you. So it makes you in generally red eye for me, or jealous over me, you understand? You say, oh, him look so blingy and me a suffer. You understand? You say that in general that more will cause violence or more will cause innocent to lose them life. Because man I go see you look more blingy, look bashy, look like you have some look butter or money.
If I was wearing a big old chain right now,
yeah, that is a negativity.
that?
Look no, me would envy it, but that is a negativity with a next man who hungry. A hungry man is a angry man. So imagine two hungry men are watch you now with a big old chain. Come and chain you till they reach all an empty place like that to take it from you. And a set chain they can feed all six of them fat up. Yeah, it's all about survival, you know.
The hungry man gotta eat.
Yeah. The more while it take all a hungry man life just dream a little food, you know. Yeah, cause just by looking the food, police might see him, enemy might see him, and as it gets the set chain, them blow him down the ground. You see, it is the next innocent life that gone. Yeah, but survival is the key, you know. So what you would do, you want to do it to feed bread, to feed food, and to feed pity them people. Yeah, you see.
The dog eat dog world out here?
Really literally dog eat dog world. But every dog have to eat or you have to run in for a nipple to get some milk though. Yeah, you cannot sit down and wait till the milk dry out for you. They say you skip the line for look at milk, you understand?
I see.
Yeah, so
How are the ladies out here?
real fine, real fine. You know. ladies them like a A-class. And more me now going out in the street, it's like them hurt me head, turn up my feelings. So the ladies them real fine in Jamaica. You know, them got food, everything, you understand?
I do understand. I've also heard that European women fly to Jamaica to get Jamaican schlong.
Yeah. Most like them like the Jamaican tall hair man, them like the Rasta guys, them.
Interesting.
Yeah, them like that, you know, them a model with them Rasta man. Maybe if you can show them some of the hot spots and the good place, them are Irie, you understand? Yeah, we know a couple look Irie place, you understand? And if you and my links are Pambo, then we bring it to the best spots, them, the nicest spots, them, though. Yeah, so that's enough real, everything nice. Bring it, we get some little swim and stuff. You name it. When we go to the little refreshment spot and then the thing there, so you get to see. Yeah, man, good time. Let me tell you.
It's been a pleasure. You got some push in your hand here?
Yeah.
Can we get a quality inspection here?
I tell you, say these are the local 500 pushes, see?
Okay.
Yeah. You know, so I'm going to mix it and place it in the street. Oh.
Okay, blaze high.
Yeah,
We're going to go to Tivoli Gardens and meet the Dawn.
Yeah.
We're meeting all sorts of characters out here.
Yeah, man, no joke. I say Jamaica always a keep. Jamaica always a keep. As you can see, the place always busy. All sort of things. People are come from work, people are move up and down. Yeah, man, no joke.
What's up?
So yes, massive. So I'm here with Tyler Oliveira.
That's right.
You understand?
We're
And
here
trust
at Tivoli
me,
Gardens, see what's going on here in the once infamous neighborhood, now allegedly cleaned up, so they say.
yeah, that's what we're actually gonna let you talk about and where you can see for yourself. Because we're in Tivoli and what used to take place in Tivoli is not happening anymore.
So they say.
Yeah. So they say, and so we're gonna find out, right?
That's right.
Good. So massive, we're here with, you don't know, Tyler, Jamaica walk by, as I see him tell you, with the Tivoli, and we're gonna show you exactly what going on over Tivoli. With a walk through with Coco Coke, no joke, you understand? So he wants to see Tivoli, he wants to hear the history, he wants to see where the place is going and what is happening over there. And I'm there with it. And let's do this.
Let's go.
Let's go, man.
All right.
That is. So we're actually in Tivoli Gardens, you understand? And as you can see over there, so we have Tyler speaking with Coco Coke, you understand, you know? Getting a brief little history about Tivoli Gardens, you understand? The machine, the right of the machine, bad and bougie, you understand? No joke. So, you know, Jamaica walk by, me just there carry Tyler through Jamaica, make him see some things. He want to ask the people them some questions, he want to know why the level of violence and things there in Jamaica right now. So we are going to find out as to why them actually brand Jamaica as one of the most dangerous community. If you're not afraid of camera, nobody can trouble me, you know. I'm here Jamaica walk by. Walk and talk to people. All sort of. I want to fly them kite there. Kite them, man. Can see them, can kill them.
Jump court.
Yeah, then tell me what I want to Tivoli.
Jump court. Remember that Tivoli Garden? Jump court and team.
Marty.
Our girl team leader.
Oh yeah?
No.
Mad.
For now.
You know?
For now.
So is it
the girl team leader is originally Auntie
Oh yeah, so on the Instagram too?
Yeah.
What's
no,
Instagram?
On TikTok.
Tivoli Gardens Drum Core. Oh, so it's Tivoli Gardens Drum Core. But when you come out, big up on yourself, man. Now go on this. You can actually play.
Yeah, we are practicing at the Tivoli Center.
Today, what time I start?
What time now?
Now about after 4.
Yeah, but after 5 we start.
Alright, then we'll probably take a walk around there and so on and deal with, see? Big up on yourself, that is it, my friend. You too, touch it. Say, yeah, touch it. Your crook stuck. Let me help you. Look how well. Yeah, man, so that is it. We're there and let's find out as we walk through and see what's going over in Tivoli. It's just a vibe, you know what I mean?
What's your name?
My name is Mitzi.
And where are we at?
Tivoli Garden.
Okay. We hear this place is on the up and up.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
Yeah, lovely people inside there, all family.
Big family out here.
Yeah, it's family. We live good.
What's something people misunderstand about Tivoli Gardens?
About what?
Like, what's a misconception people have about this place?
There's no misconception. They have it, but we don't have it.
What are your thoughts on Tivoli Gardens? Good people? Yeah. How do you like Jamaica? Nice? Would you ever see yourself living anywhere else besides Jamaica? Good. Where would you like to go? England. Where in England?
No.
What's your favorite part about Jamaica? You like Coco? He's the boss? You like the art too? Yeah? He loves you guys. What do you like to do? What's like your favorite subject? What do you want to do when you grow up? Soldier. Oh, soldier. You want to fight for the military? Okay. Thanks for watching. Man, I don't know either. Top one? Yeah, top one. And what's this place called?
DJ is game show. The board and never really seen no guy in the youth.
And now you got it all.
Yeah, now we got the Switch. And the Xbox, we got an Xbox over here, but like,
You got a PS5?
Yeah. Mad thing. You see? Yeah. Hold on, let me get a look quick. That is it. Easy.
After exploring deep in the culture of Tivoli Garden and its past, now they are open for brighter days and looking for a beautiful future. The experience was just great. We get the chance to see some things in Tivoli Garden that nobody has ever seen, and trust me, the Mural Project is just superbly beautiful.
Come in. And again. Weird. What?
The CSM bicycle could come out in them numbers, the youth them shot. Now tell us that them a show off some mad talent, some mad skill. Check them out.
You like it out here? You want to say hi? You have good tricks.
Go.
CSM underscore Keshan.
Say it again.
CSM underscore Keshan.
CSM underscore Keshan. Follow me on Instagram, Jamaica Walk By, so I can make sure I put in your information. Just tell me, say, are you did I ride the bicycle? Yeah. Why your Instagram too?
CSM underscore Nado.
CSM?
Underscore Nado.
Oh, CSM underscore Nado. Yeah man, follow me on Jamaica Walk By, so I can, and tell me, say, you did ride the bicycle, so I can know your page. Mad thing. Big up yourself, man. Yeah, me that. CSM underscore Glenn. Mad thing. Roll out. Let's stop every time. Where?
Oh man, no pressure at all. Oh man.
From the art.
No, he's just like me when I was going to write on there.
Do you guys eat oysters here?
Definitely.
Alright. The world is your oyster. A message of hope, opportunity, abundance. You can make anything out of anything.
That is it.
Thank you guys for having me. That's awesome.
Yeah, the negative for our community.
Yeah.
We wanted to actually do a video now, letting people know that we have come and you get
Yeah, I'd love to give a testimonial. All right.
Keep it down
All right.
a little bit.
All right, I'm here in Tivoli. I heard a lot of rumors, heard about the reputation, but this place has treated me with such awesome hospitality. All these kids are awesome. You're the best. Everyone here is so lovely. It's a colorful place. Got all these murals. This is a great time. I really appreciate you having me. It's easy to get misled by reputations, statistics, etc., but just people living life, doing their best to make the best of everything. Much love, respect. And we gotta do the hand thing now. All the little. There we go. Thanks for having me.
That is it. Greatness.
This place is awesome.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for having us. Seriously, appreciate it.
Coco in the CG, take your camera now.
We have some small pieces. I don't know if you want me to show you them.
Let's check it out.
Let's carry part of us.
I have to take one of these?
Yeah. These two contributions. Go on, as a visitor.
This is sick. And keep this?
Yeah.
This is us. I'm just leaving Tivoli and I'm telling you.
It's getting a little dark out here.
Yeah, it's getting dark.
Some slightly dirtier looks, but you know, the vibes are relatively neutral out here.
That is it.
Not bad, not good.
Oh, I wanted to catch up. But yeah, we're just leaving Tivoli and Blake, how was the experience, man?
I thought it was great.
It's great. That is it. Oh, you mean?
Once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime.
It's like a 1 hour flight from Miami. You can always come back, but it's great. Yeah, you're right. We got the tour from the king of the hood of all hoods in Kingston, it seems like.
That is it.
So I've been told.
See it there? So yeah, massive, we're downtown Kingston with Tyler. And we don't know, big up to all massive from Tivoli. It was just great. It was a great energy as well. So we're just heading back to the vehicle, put on the other cameras, and we're just gonna make some tour and walk through because Tyler wanna see how safe it is. So we're gonna leave all our valuables and we're gonna walk up and down because Tyler said he wants to see. And I'm telling him that if you want nobody to have nothing in Jamaica, you're good. You can walk up and down and things like, especially in all public areas and things. But if you go inside of a community like that, and they don't know you, they don't know what you're about, they don't know your purpose or anything, they're gonna stop you. They're gonna ask you, what is the problem, why are you there, and all of that. You see me? And that goes for pretty much right around the world, you see me? So yeah, we're just here getting it right. So big up all massive. We're there. No joke. Yeah, so it's another day and we currently start off the vibe and we are in Trenchtown. Trenchtown, just one of them community, straight inner city community where you don't know, known for Bob Marley and many iconic artists. And we're there in a Trenchtown right about now. Just to take a vibe. Yeah, me teacher, mad thing. So it's all about breakfast time for me. You don't know, look center camera. You don't know, you have Tyler and Blake up there getting some footage and thing. As for me, you know, it's all about breakfast because it's a little bit early in the morning and me hungry. Them not eat, them just deal with some Monster. I see man them drink about 3 or 4 Monster energy drink and them good. Them not in a breakfast and just say, rare. Me have to eat some authentic breakfast and me talk about something like this. Yeah, oh my little thing there. But guess what? Me I stand upside that one great man. You see me? Big artist. Animal. No joke, no doubt. Look good. I mean say we can't reach a Trenchtown and a buck up in somebody great. It's impossible. Oh you mean? Look good. Get used to it. Me know them probably want to say, yo, say something out of the vocals man, you not give them nothing today. They say, find my little line.
Man, upon the bookings and hungry time I kill the worms, see the right place to come.
That is it. So if people want to reach you right now, we reach you. They're on the social and everything.
Man, always right through man like Nigel man, and nothing come down man.
You out the Instagram or the social?
One bad slave man, if I type in bad slave I find it up, everything up man.
See it then man, that is it. Great man. Remember me telling you, so bad slave. And you don't know you get the man all platforms. See me? Look, breakfast in a Trenchtown, wanna wait pan, look good. So right now I'm go so look good, take it out. So see it there, breakfast in a Trenchtown. So you know we have a little curry chicken there, we have some fried dumpling there, and baked things. Oh, you want to smell it? You just want to smell the aroma, just tell us say food time now, ready. You understand? So let's dig in. Right at the spot here, I don't know. Mad thing. What you mean? Look good. Figure that. No, look, get about this.
Yeah, but they have dope long.
Because I don't want to do what this right now to you.
Man, I see it. So we have more place to carry them for sure.
That is it. So you live in a Trenchtown?
Yeah, man.
That
I'm not kidding me.
Yes, that's how you get it.
That's what I watch out. See, I'm not kidding me. So I'm not reason I'm going to go and be a sexy girl.
But you say be a sexy girl?
Yeah, I tell them I already seen them. I say, I see them things still.
Yeah.
I call up with them things. I come as a history man. As a dancer.
Man.
That's not trouble them. Them just want it. You know what? The full big family.
Yeah, the real deal.
Yeah, so I'm come show them the Trenchtown. This is how it's Thursday. Holy.
So what are we going over here, sir?
Holy.
Holy, it's on a Thursday.
Yeah, no,
Trenchtown International Music.
Dancing mode. Look. That means dancing mode. That means no child, no kids. Big people.
Mad.
Yeah, that's the general. That's it. See that?
I say, nothing without supporting the bar.
Yeah, I'm your wife, but you know, wars out there. See that? Dancing mode. That's it.
Mad thing.
Every Thursday.
Every Thursday. Trenchtown.
Yeah, the kitchen. I'm saying, you want a cup of soup, you come right here.
Figure that.
Have your eyes, you just take out your eyes out of the igloo and eat that. You party right back till morning.
Mad thing.
Sexy body girl is not the problem for you.
Yeah, man, me catch it, man. Easy.
Put them there, they have see, can't sit down right ground.
Can't go all about down there.
See them there? They have seat all about there. Bring all the wife and all those people back.
CM speed.
One sit down, you want to sit down. No one to tell you to stop.
You know what the biggest thing right now? Tell me the truth. The place no cool, man.
Yeah, man.
Jaja do cool. Yeah. Yeah. How much mango tree this year?
A 4 mango, you know. And big and fat.
Oh, that is it.
Yeah.
Everything. Not at all. See, the man, yo, the place was cool and that.
Yeah,
no wonder big woman the right, so now I go and take a 5. And that me feel them go do, because I go eat like a breakfast a while ago, so you know, nigga right is a catch me.
Yeah, these are the pro freedom now, you know, like when the party does not have money, you can just pick all that food.
Mad thing. See it a massive, don't joke. So when I heal in a nation I to sing Bible. No joke. See it everywhere.
See it all about that. See how I see that mango tree there again, the flowers on them from straight down. You see them there?
Mad thing. Ready for the party, ready for the vibe. Come and have your lunch, same speed in a trench town. Drink 2 juice, all of that. Mad thing. You know, we don't classify them as juice, them are roots.
The root juice.
Medicine, pretty much medicine. See?
Boner juice.
Sort out your body, get your body the right way.
Want to get you one as a gift?
No, definitely me. All if you never get none of that, me go buy one for myself. Cause you can't afford to see them things and left them. You understand?
Okay, we're gonna get 2 juice then.
See it? Dr. Rugo, roots from Trench Town. So where Dr. Rugo there? I'm this.
This is the doctor.
Blouse and skirt, Dr. Rugo, right beside the back. You see that? That is it.
That's right.
Hey, the Rugo they look like I'm the.
Yeah.
Blouse and Missy what you having at this. Low stiff food. I really that marine? Stiff food. No consequence.
No conscience.
No, and no conscience. So you know what stiff food mean?
Nope.
Shit. Bro, stiff food mean you see a thing? Your thing? Yeah, that is it. Yeah, so when you're ready for that, they go on them right way, make your neighbor them hear you. I go on wicked and after I say, Tyler, remember you don't live here alone. Yeah, this is what you drink. Welcome to Jamaica, my friend.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I want to buy 2 bottles of the juice because apparently it doesn't need the
no, this is for your friend. I want my one.
That's what it is.
Yeah, where then? Oh, see, so this is mine.
Okay, we get 3 then.
Yeah, we can tell you a little bit of ingredients where they're in there.
Juice. Give me the stick.
You need to get this. You need to catch.
I'm trying
You tell him, you tell him.
He has my money.
You know what Ramon is?
No.
Jesus.
Enhancer sex.
What is it?
Enhancer sex, make it just, it's on the duffy gun.
It's
Enhancer sex drive.
Yeah, enhance your sex drive.
Oh, yeah, of course.
So that's how we do, and the other one.
Make your wood get well out.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Yo, remember you have to know. You see, remember you have to know how to talk to white people because for them think different. You understand? You see girls them fuss ball out, you know. And when we don't you see how that machine dance. Yeah. Yeah. One time. Yeah. So man,
here's my money.
Yeah, so we are get 2 for you. You want 1 to be there? Yeah, man. That's Chris. I need it right away.
We only need 3. It's too much juice. I don't want to become a monster.
So, how much I want? $1,000. If not, can go so much. If not, can go so much. No, we can say 1 3 this. Can go, as a matter of fact, we can go 5. You see me? Because you don't know till they come through with my sponsor till.
You have a little bag?
Yeah.
Little bag?
Good, man.
Yeah.
Do we have a little bag to carry them?
Yeah, we don't have nothing right now. Alright, we find the cross the road so we can just let's rest them here, so. We start it out.
Okay, we need a little bag though, too many.
No, it can't be too many. Everybody put them back.
Alright, see we can.
There we go.
Alright. This another bag.
Alright, we got the bag. We got the juice. Bonus for life.
Rugo! Yeah.
I want to machine for you.
Blouse and skirt, mommy says she runner. Yeah. A bad thing, no joke. Yeah, man, we're good. Sort it all. Yeah. Yo, Rugo.
The crocodile.
The what? Massacre around there.
No, man, we had the crocodile for 12.
Yeah. Rugo. Well, you know, say I go and sit by one because yeah. No, yeah, bigger my roots, because you know, so we not just talk, we have to bust off it for them. Because right now, we have to deal with it, you understand? We might have go look more, you know? Yeah, I live with my own, you know? I know, so we not go this again, you know? Because I just get 1 year old and 6 months. That's trouble. Yeah.
Where my video now?
Oh, Rugo, blouse and skirt, rice and thing. Look, I'm going to mash up here now. Blouse and skirt. Woo! This look like what? Aki and Kalalu.
Hold on, Michael.
Talk to me.
Nah, get no more. I go one bag pack now. Nah, get no more. Me nah get no more, my lad.
I sell food? Bad Rugo. But man, you not just only make roots, man. Man can cook. I tell this. Right, if still a lick out me and me go. Clean. Blouse and skirt. Rugo. I mean that shake you up. Yeah, man. So massive trench down the vibe. So right, I look at ends here. I don't know where thing go. Yeah, man. So on the forward down a trench down and come and check out Rugo. See him where. You understand? Alright, what we are getting at this now?
Some fruit juice.
Look, fruit juice.
Yeah, cashew. Cashew.
Yeah, man, full up to bring, man.
I'm going one more.
Ah, see, man, good, man. Whoa, outside with it. Wow. Smooth. Rugo, you look like a strainer one I like how my grandmother that's straining. Through the cloth. Ah, enough people don't know about that. When I drink the drinks and it's so smooth, you know say one of them look cloth they have where you know say they hold it, you put everything in it and you squeeze it and wring it. And you extract the juice, so you know say it's just smooth. No particle. Strainer can't do this. That is it. Wait a minute. Tyler! Tyler! Yeah, man, on the forward, come try some of this, man. Woo! Better look more there, Rugo. We can't get look more. Yeah. And that alone you have left?
Yeah.
Then I have about a fully up there. Alright, whoa. Blouse and skirt. Come in, Tyler! Damn! Massive, this, listen me, this actually tastes good more than what you really think it tastes good. So we have cashew, me taste cashew in there, me taste apple in there, me taste bunch of things, bro.
Are we getting drunk?
Woo! No, this is actually fruit juice.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You made this yourself?
No, Rugo did it.
You're a doctor.
Wow.
It's cashew.
Oh, so this is what we just tried.
I can't have cashew.
Oh, he will actually die.
Oh.
It's okay. It smells good.
It's the cashew fruit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
You
good.
cashew fruit a while ago?
No, I'm good.
That's good.
No, the cashew will just give one one free and eat.
That's good. That's some nice juice right there.
Yeah, man.
This one
Cheers.
is cherry.
Woo!
This one is apple.
A 5 in arms.
Mad thing. Yeah, so no, one more. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, so see there, I bust my juice. Dr. Rugo, roots from Trenchtown. You can see how bad it be. Just put my, the aroma is just excellent. The aroma, normal.
That's good.
Woo! Yes, I.
Yes, I.
Smooth. You can taste the ferment in it and everything. A bunch of ingredients, trust me. Wow. That is it. You have to make sure you store it too, you know, as a drink, you store it. So you get everything in each taste. I don't want to settle all the base, so just store it. Everything you want in each taste. And you just go again.
And each one of that, you know, say, yeah, lucky, you know, you say, oh, Marty. And you stir again. You taste again. Right now, you just want to think about anything where you're going to deal with wicked. Boy, I feel like my.
I'm not talking about the pussy fight back. You have one name pussy fight back, you know.
What?
You have one name pussy fight back.
You have one name pussy fight back? So, when the man drinks it like that, it boom boom fight back.
Yeah, the woman has so much she drink and fight back.
And where the blood?
Around there, Rugo, forget that.
Rugo, look good. I hear in front of a woman say, woman, them fight back. Pussy fight back.
You have one name.
Almighty to the guy. Yo, general over there start laughing weak. Me don't like to see after me drink this, I want that fight me back. Trouble.
You know, eat pudding.
Pudding? I put him up to bring cross the pan, man. I go see what I go on. Me just love all this taste. This is a smooth. Rugo straight anything then right.
Right now, the crocodile dead.
Woo! What is that? Where's that St. God, the crocodile dead? Yeah. This is Rugo crocodile dead. No joke. I put it in this. Yeah, man, I seen them, man. How can I put it?
The national pudding this man. No,
Yeah.
what Jamaica national pudding?
Yeah. The cornmeal, man?
No,
or
man.
potato one?
Potato, man.
And I'm a favorite
with the
one.
custard pan top, man.
Jeez,
and the wickedest thing,
good.
man. Yeah, man, you know, have to take it, man. See,
Yeah,
there,
man.
see, I done it done. Culture, you had it done, you know.
Culture, yeah, don't culture.
You see? One pattern, you see it done.
Cock off a bigger slice the way you say. You say jack off a while.
Boy, you beg, you want beg.
No, man, when I say beg him, man, me pay for you.
In a Jamaican style.
Yeah,
alright.
everything.
So that's what you say, man.
Beg what I juice there.
Alright,
but I pay see you here.
Yeah.
I selling.
Yeah, I selling.
Why you go and drink a Dr. Rugo Roots? Mad. This are done still, probably have to go get one from myself. You have a bag them too? I have 5 paper. Ah, see them?
Yeah, man. Original, you know?
Whoa, yo. Look good. Whoa, yo. Watch out. Done, boy. A mad thing. Blows and scrolls, guys, give me too much.
No, man, well, that's how it going, promoting, you know?
This a name, pack up the belly. One hand, make a put a back there, this one. Alright. Respect. Look good, look good.
Yeah.
What them there? What my white friend them there? Tyler, have you ever seen this before?
What is this?
Pudding.
I try it?
Yeah, this is
I go for
one
it?
of our national bakery. That one a potato.
Thank you.
Try it.
That's good. It tastes like coconut.
Alright.
I like that.
Mad boy.
And we got weed right here.
Oh, yeah, oh my word.
We have the green grass. The
That
ganja.
is it.
That's good. I like that.
Yeah, man.
You guys grow your own ganja. That's smart.
Warrior!
Wow. You guys have your own society out here. I want this in the U.S.
I said, I can't exaggerate. This? Lord have mercy. The ingredients and the texture. Jesus. This made me miss mama. Oh God. I love Jamaica. Look good. What's up? Oh yeah, you know say just drop from me, I take you back up. Peace and peace. And the best part, brother. You know. So, while me I walk and I eat, I put near God no mercy, I put near mad. Coolie, man. So, we are looking for some animal over Trenchtown International Yard, you know. Everything there in this yard is massive. Jano.
Cherry.
I mean, I want to live so close to Coronation, eh? Food mango and a beefy. Bigger than beefy. Blouse and skirt. How much spend this? I spend this.
Yeah. Sure, you must think they know that. So them big and strong, it's all clean.
Well beat.
Yeah, man, it's covered.
Marty, I mean, love a grunt in you. Yeah, man.
You grab your hand right now. Terrible.
What see ya?
Yes, I'm terrible.
Oi. Big up Arnold. One Arnold. What you mean? We're outside. So it's a vibe, man. No joke thing. So just I got you. And that's a easy. Oh, game for them, man.
Yeah.
That's how game for them.
White
Man.
them doing
What you mean? So it's a vibe, we just there. What the right name for yard again? Yeah. I think a Trenchtown International Sound Yard.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So they say every Thursday night?
Yeah, right.
Every Thursday night party up here, so. You understand? Oh, see? So, we just a rope through and just a go easy back. Beat the roots a while ago, star apple.
Them there?
Man, they call it, it's the mean fruit.
Yeah, star apple.
Cause no matter what, you can't fling and lick this off a tree. Nah, come on, you have to go up to go ring it. Yeah, man. Don't joke, man. So, we're going to our culture yard, so let's do this. So
You guys have everything in the world. We got cherries, mangoes, whatever I drink with the juice, ganja, pigs, goats. You got it all. And that potato fruit thing. This is crazy. Trenchtown knows what's up.
So you just throw it up and spit out the seed.
What do we have here?
You know what it is? I know.
I know.
Yeah. Make castor oil.
Man, you guys have everything.
Yeah, this name I know. They make it dry.
Are you a botanist?
No, it plants. See here?
Wow.
The root here. You make castor.
Do you give it to the ladies for free?
It's the family that got it.
What if the lady's beautiful?
That's good because it's safe. Because it's $20.
Even if she's got mega hunkers?
Because it got to go back to the market.
Yeah. I see. Okay. We got some more murals right here.
Yeah, that's all of them places. So I walk all of them babies.
Come here to get some snacks. We got sardines, sugar, flour, rice, saltfish, pinback. Monster. I drink Monster every day.
Every day, do that go treat
day.
today.
How was
No
your
joke.
Yeah.
It's good. Awesome.
That's good. All right. We're gonna take our leave of absence here. Thanks for having us in. Raven, I like your name. I like your sweatshirt too. What do you love about tattoos?
Well, it just show off the artwork and the visual, you know? Bring out the image, because I remember some of the drawing and painting and everything.
What are your thoughts on the little Uzi vert? He has a similar, he had a little gem in between his eyes.
Well, so this now, it does represent my religion, a cross. Jesus died on the cross, so I'm just put it right there. So I hold the rubber there right there. You see me? Hold the rubber somewhere. So I don't, so I just express my feelings. Now watch somebody need it, you know?
Straight up.
Do you have trouble getting employment because you have face tats?
No, man.
That's a big thing in the US.
No, man. Out there, so everybody see it as a art. So people come to me and know, say, oh, me a tattoo, man. See me?
Do you have tattoos on your chest as well?
No.
Okay, so you keep it to the arms, the sleeves, the face.
That's the face and the foot.
What about the back?
No, I'm not putting none on the back.
How much did you invest in all these tattoos?
Like a fortune now and then, I see me. But sometimes I walk and go around and look at things. I'm not too far and come.
So you are the tattoo artist?
And then me are one of them.
You are one of them. Oh, I see.
It's great to meet you.
Mad.
I like the tattoos.
Yeah.
Oh, one just done about
I can't get no place now. Coming out one. It's what I say.
everything in
So that's love me say. It's what I say. Yeah, man.
Talk to him.
Watch it, Andy.
Bob Marley, one love.
Stay the same, expert. Stay the same.
Oh, there you.
Without changes, you will stay the same. Even though the changes, we people use that as saving. Another day, another life, another slum. If you don't have a gun, it's like you not have no fun yet. I make them kill with hearts, our big dreams. Invest in some business.
See another artist here where I come from.
There's another artist of
bad artist.
Yeah, we'll go way out. Before we leave, where can the people find you?
right here, bro. One J Brinks on Instagram, one J Brinks on YouTube. Everywhere.
Same Ingenious Brings, any platform, Spotify, anywhere you can find. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, you don't know that was a rocker trench town. Oh, what do you think, man?
It was nice. Everyone was friendly. And my favorite part was the self-sufficient community back there where they gave us the food. We saw the ganja. We saw the fruit juice. It was very nice. It was cool out here. The rapping was pretty epic too. They started doing the reggae. I really liked it. That was a good time.
Man. Here we have it, another day in a trench town. Still not done off of the road yet. On to the next stop, Spanish Town. Yeah, now we actually stop at the cemetery that actually in another parish. So this is the Maypen Cemetery in Kingston. So every type of person is buried over here. Sometimes you know what they would do? They would break into some of the graves.
Oh, grave robbers?
So, yeah, I didn't even know that was a thing until I saw it the other day. Like some people bury with liquor and jewelry and stuff like that.
That makes sense.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's pretty.
Look at the way some of these, look at that
Car one's cool, yeah.
Yeah,
man. You wonder if they died in a car accident or something.
Probably, or maybe it's their car, you know? Maypen Cemetery in Kingston. It's crazy.
Nice. Nice. Big up. One love. Are you gonna smoke this whole thing by the night?
No, not really.
Yeah. Why don't care?
Is Jamaican Kush better than American Kush?
Yeah.
Okay.
100%. 100%.
I hear you guys.
Icon artist this man.
How you doing, sir?
Snagger post this man. Yikes. Have no fear. Jamaican artist man.
Okay.
Yes man.
This is the number one kind of shop.
Yeah.
Number one.
And the good sense in me.
Yeah.
Who am I here with?
You them piece I tune Yeah, from Shocking Vibes Crew with Dean and the song that hit the world name. Oh, Dino is against the law.
Yeah.
We don't dance like that anymore. If you can't do the tatty dance.
hear them as
Step aside. Number one tire shop.
Benji tire shop.
Benji tire. The tires? It's the whole squad right here. Wow. I like it. 19? You afraid of the COVID-19?
Yes, I did have to laugh.
You killed a lot of people here.
Yeah.
You still wear the mask?
Yeah,
Is it dangerous out here?
well, it kind of is.
It's gotten much better.
So we're in the market. Yeah.
That way or this way?
I was just gonna walk through there a bit.
Right.
Yeah. So we're still.
What's going on here a little bit?
Yeah. So that's the Spanish Town market. You know what I mean? This is another side of Spanish Town. You understand? Still hustle, bustle. Everybody doing their business. The local out shopping and all of that will just make the environment great.
Go more.
You know what I mean? Yeah. No joke. Yeah. So we're just walking through the market with Tyler, getting the real energy in Jamaica, and it's just great. It's just crazy. Let's go.
There's a lot of craziness. Freshly caught? Are you a fisherman?
No, yeah, really.
Okay, very good. Much respect. Get some fish right here.
So what you selling?
Uncle Tax, destroyer, matches, lot of kitchen towel and rubber.
Yeah.
The nice bathroom. All this.
Oh, Axion.
Yeah, keep the plate clean.
Thing. That is it. Big up yourself. Cool. Yeah, so in the market there's tons of things selling, from goods to supermarket products, stock, snacks, market produce, natural, everything. It's just great. Spanish Town market, place you can get everything. So we're currently standing at Cheap Charlie. Him say everything here, so cheap. Quick sale, small profit, them gone. Look good. Everything. They say everything.
Everything there, man. Cheap Charlie, you know. Rum Lane, you know. Spot to find me, you know. Hot cup soup, 250, you know. We sell bun. 150 get 2 bun. You understand? Tomato 100, you know. 300, 2 big.
I respect my boss. You don't know a thing, go. Yeah. She said,
Some kind of a big deal.
Tyler said, if you like your shirt and you just bust a nice smile. Yes, man. That's good. That is it, man. No joke.
We walked through the majority of the market here. We're headed towards the garrison. I've come to learn that the garrison is the good.
So now that you call me, I forgot to explain myself. So I'm here with my friend. I'm Jamaica walk by. I walk through and showcase the natural ambience and culture in Jamaica. I'm here with my friends. Tyler Oliveira.
Hi.
Yeah, he's a YouTuber from America.
Hi.
You know, he's just walking around asking some questions about the persons living in Spanish Town. You know, what the place is like and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I like Spanish
I'm
Town
here with-
because
what's that?
Sharon. Here in Spanish Town, we see all these things hanging. We are hustling for our money. Not like in America where you have 1 million homeless people sleeping in the street and living in shelters. People here does not live in shelter, not live on the street. That's our opinion, because I hear you talking about garrison and all things like that. 1 million people in America sleeping on the street, living like hoodlums and all of that. I don't really see
I haven't seen anyone pass out on drugs out here. In America, they're everywhere. People just on drugs on the streets.
Yeah.
Why is there none of that here?
We don't tolerate drugs here. Yeah, we tolerate.
Just ganja though.
Yeah, that's the first herb.
Yeah.
And it doesn't let you pass out.
But
on
none of the
street.
hard drugs like in the United States, like heroin, fentanyl, crack, there's none of that out
Like
here.
your pro diet.
It's everywhere in the US.
Everywhere, people sleeping on the street and high out on drugs and everything. I've been there.
So Jamaica doesn't tolerate that here.
No, we don't have it here.
Why is that?
Because it's not here. Our government is not going to have it here.
What are your
Because we
thoughts?
don't pay people to get high here. In America, you pay people to get high. You pay people to stay on drugs that say, oh, they are depressed, and you pay them to stay depressed, and then you put them in the system where people have to work and mind them. We don't have that here in Jamaica.
Where have you been in the United States?
Where have you been?
Where did you go?
Oh,
Tell me a little bit.
where you want to know?
Did you go to like San Francisco?
Yes, San
Yeah.
Francisco.
You see a lot of the drug
Bronx,
use out there?
Yes,
Yeah.
the Bronx, White Plains Road, Manhattan.
You've been everywhere.
Queens, Jersey.
What did you like about the US? What did you not like?
I like the US because I could work hard and get my money there.
Yeah.
What did you dislike about the U.S.? What did you not like about the United States?
What I don't like about it, the high rate in drugs, and the government who pays the people to stay on drugs. This one could get paid and that one could get paid. That's the only thing I don't like about America.
What do you like about Jamaica?
Oh, Jamaica, wake up in the sun. We got our food. We can farm. We have land. We have this and we could own our land. In America, you cannot own your land over 100 years. You got to start over. You got to will it to somebody. You can't own nowhere in America.
You're right.
You know what I'm saying?
You're a smart gal. What do you dislike about Jamaica?
Dislike? What is there to dislike?
You tell me.
The only
Sweet.
thing I
You
love.
gotta be honest with me. We gave
I
you
love
bad
everything,
feedback.
I love everything about Jamaica. The only thing I dislike about Jamaica is the work system.
What do you mean by that?
Like when I go to a person yard to home to work, I can't get more than $12,000. That's the only thing I don't like about how the government have the minimum wage and have people suffering for food. That's the only thing I don't like about Jamaica. But everything else, I like the beach, I like the sun, I like to wake up in the heat and not in the cold.
And you moved to the U.S. and you moved back here.
Did I tell you that?
Is that-
Did
is
I
that
tell
how-
you that? That's a question or an answer?
I don't know. That's a question.
If I move there?
Yeah, did you visit or did you
Oh,
move
I
there from here?
visit, I travel back and forth.
Okay, so you love the climate out here. You love the culture.
I love the culture, I love the climate. That's where I was born. And I love certain things about America too. In America, it's not all bad, but it's bad and it's good.
Why do you think Jamaica ranks number 1 and number 2 as the most? Well, it constantly goes between number 1 and number 2 as the murder capital of the world.
Man for dead to make man live, brother. Yeah. Man for dead to make man live. What you say?
What?
Man for dead to make man live. That's your struggle. That's a struggle.
People are struggling. They kill each other.
What you think?
Why are people murdering each other?
The only thing you see the murder here in Jamaica is because it's per capita. In America, you guys kill more people than what we kill here in Jamaica. Don't ask about the murder rate. You know the murder rate in America. And when black people died in America, you guys do not step up to the plate for us.
Well, that's not true.
It is true.
There was a whole riot in the United
No,
States across every major city. when
No,
George
it is
Floyd
true.
died.
When we die there, nobody speak on us.
I disagree.
Black life
I think
doesn't
there's a-
matter. You guys choke us.
I
You
disagree
shot
on that.
us. You abuse us in the
I haven't done
home.
anything, first of all. But with that being said, there's
Listen,
full-on
let me
riots.
tell you this.
If
Let me
any
tell
black
you
person
this.
dies,
Let me tell you this. Even going in the people home to work, they spot on you.
Yeah.
They hit you with the cane. They lick you. They do you all kind of thing. And your employer said, "Oh, cope with them a little bit because you know we need them for the money, never to defend us."
I think now that's changed a lot, though.
No,
I disagree.
it doesn't change.
Well, in what ways do you think that's not the case?
Hmm?
How do you think the community in the United States responded to the death of George Floyd? There's uproar. Cities were being burned down in his name.
George Floyd?
Sure, there's an example.
I love it. I love the response they give for George Floyd because George Floyd was innocently killed. Oh, I can't breathe. Oh, I can't breathe. And nobody hear that. They step in his neck, they killed him.
Do you think the police system's better here in Jamaica than the United States?
Well, I don't work with them, you know.
Okay.
I only commit my sense of crime.
But we have to be honest here. We're talking per capita versus just overall. The United States has over 100 times more people. Per capita, people are killing each other more often here.
No.
That's true, though.
No.
That's facts.
No.
That's statistics.
No. You hear what you come up with? George Floyd. What about the guys that they're finding in the gutter? What about the 100 women that they find in Queens behind the building? Nobody spoke on that.
Yeah, but there's the same thing here, I'm sure.
No.
You're in denial.
No. They're not gonna kill 100 women here in nowhere.
But it's all proportional. There's
Nowhere,
2.8
but
million
in
people here.
Queens, they find 150 bodies of a
Yeah,
woman
but they're
of
registered
women.
as a homicide. The fact that they found them and you know about this across the world, that's documented.
They document it too.
Okay,
They
fair.
don't document.
Okay, let's say
those,
all the
those are
statistics
not
are fully
documented.
accurate.
In America,
I'm not even trying to debate here. I
but
acknowledge
in
the U.S. has a lot of problems.
In
I'm not
America,
even-
okay, to a
I'm with
point.
you on this,
You
yeah.
get to a point.
This is crazy. Like, you can see kids stuff. a stove, you know, where the mattress were, kitchen, everything. This is just bad. So we're just in Spanish Town, and somebody told us about a little area in the community that was fully burnt down, and even the blocks, everything on the ground. Like, OMG, these persons here are so lucky that their house wasn't caught in it. Like, OMG, everything to the ground. Like, we really can render some assistance to these persons here. And it seems like they lost everything. Everything. I can see even clothes there. This looks like something used to be the dresser or something like that. OMG, there's a little child. You used to live here? There's a little child that's walking. Maybe this is his home. Oh, it's a boy. Oh my word. This is awful. Yo, me no wish this upon nobody, not even my worst enemy, yo. Can see where the rug was. There's a gas pan right there. Oh my word, it's crazy. Look at that. There's just one dresser drawer over there with stuff. Look like that's all they saved. Big up to those persons over there that actually got to save their home from burning down. Wow. Oh, you can see that the fire was even up inside here. This looks like it was a shop or something. Barely anything saved. Oh my word. So massive, I'm gonna put a link down there that you can probably help anybody here that actually need the help, you know, and actually getting somewhere else to live, or maybe clean up the place and get to use but the land or something. Oh my word. This is mad bad though. I don't wish this on anybody. So yeah, I'm just sitting here.
Jennifer Williams. Jennifer Williams. Mr. Russell. Miss Patsy Gale. Nicole Russell. Sabrina Smith. Abigail Birch.
These are all the persons who normally live here?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Ryan Wallace and Marlon Beach.
There's a lot of persons who normally live here.
I mean that cook Marlon, I mean fire cards from.
Oh my word. A very unfortunate accident.
Yes, my God, and him not so right. And him burn out. Marlon.
So massive, I'm just imploring on you guys, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna put a number in the description for all the persons who is willing to reach out to them and actually talk to them and see how you can actually help in this cause, you know, in just restoring what has happened here. Because sometimes it's up to us, you know, to move forward and help one another and getting stuff done immediately. So I'm asking everybody out there watching this right now, just reach out to one of these ladies. Yes, Grandma. What's your name?
Lydia Richards.
So her name is Lydia Richards.
I was born 1941. I'm about 82 years old. I'm in need of help. Me little tree them and me depend on them burn up.
Yeah, so you pretty much lose everything.
Yeah, man. Over this breadfruit tree.
Oh my word.
Tree them.
Yeah, I've been videoing a lot of stuff. So massive, I'm gonna put a number in the description. Actually, I'm just gonna talk to a person here. She just give out the number as to how we can help on this cause. It is just crazy. All right.
Then we are joining nearby now. This is 10 and over there is 5. 5 Cumberland Avenue and 10 Cumberland Avenue. We are joining neighbors. And I felt it very much for them. And I have nothing to help them. They need help.
You can actually hear the pain. Trust me, I see it too. No joke.
This young lady, that see her little storeroom, it burn out. When she sell lotion and them things, sometimes me trust it from her. Me not have if you buy, me trust. Lord, and hubby and peer.
So what she's saying, there was somebody who had a business there that used to have clothes and stuff like that. Oh, that's her. And she lost everything that she used to sell, you know. My friend, yeah, so can tell me, come over this side. So You can tell me. Just tell me a phone number that persons can actually reach out to. No?
You can contact me at 876-879-5046, and I am Nicole Russell.
That is it. Massive, I know some always try to help me one another, especially Jamaican, and always come through for me and help the people them. So right now we are employed upon to deal with the initiative here. This initiative, this is serious. Right now my heart a pain me just looking at it. So blessings to all, and reach out to them. The number will be in the description. It will also be on the screen, and we're gonna do the right thing. See? Depend upon always. See? Blessed. We are moved through back and we are out of Spanish Town. Mad love. Yeah, man. Big up every time, man.
Love and respect, man. We have life, and that is the most important thing. Nobody no lose them life. We have life. All of them are material things. We can't get these back. But life are the most important thing. So we
and nobody never get injured.
Nobody never get injured. So we thank God for that. That's the most amazing thing about everything.
You know, I can tell you that you look exactly like my neighbor.
Really?
Yeah, I have a neighbor. Her name is Tonian. And when I saw you, I was like, oh, Tonian, that. And then I was like, oh, no, she. Damn.
So it go.
Yeah, so
people do
you
look
even
alike.
talk the same way. Yeah, trust me. So, blessings to all. Big up our Spanish Town Massive. And that's it. Right. Give them a link. That is it.
Respect.
What thing? I wonder who paint this. I'm gonna feel impact.
They fight me without the cause, right?
So that was a real genuine walk with Tyler through Spanish Town. It was so great. You don't know. Big up to all, you understand? More blessings to everybody. So we're heading out of Spanish Town right now, and trust me, it was a blast. We learned a lot today, and definitely look out for a full tour of Spanish Town, walking through, talking with people, and as well in a vibe. And for the place that was burned down, may I ask everybody, like, if you can just render some form of little assistance to anybody at all that lives there. You see the number for one of the person with who probably just putting it out there to everybody who can contact her on the initiative for the help through, me I lost of words, through the entire place that burned down. It was crazy. So yeah, that is it. Link her up, number in the description, and it will be on the screen. See? Mad love, Spanish Town, next time.